Hi Terrell Tigers and parents, this is Miss Piper Bennett, the speech therapist at J.W. Long Elementary. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a picture choice board. The picture choice board that I decided to make is with food on it. So you could use this for a student that's nonverbal to request things, or you could even use it for a verbal student if they want to make a menu. The items that you're going to need is a folder, or you could also cut out a piece of a pizza box or a cereal box, or even if you have cardstock, a magazine with pictures in it. You could also use a grocery store ad and some glue. I didn't have glue, so I used some Mod Podge and a paintbrush. You can see I also have a camera here. You could also take pictures of the items or even people to make a picture board with people on it you could talk about. So for the food one, what I did is I also cut out pictures from different boxes of items I had around the house. So I just stuck them on here and used some hodgepodge with it, and then I also labeled it. And then you can see I did some fruits and vegetables. The other one that I was working on is a friends and family one. So I did friends and family, and I did a picture of me and a picture of my husband. So again, just an easy way that you can make a communication board for your nonverbal students, or a menu for nonverbal or verbal students. It could kind of be a fun thing to do for any student. We miss you guys, and we hope to see you soon. Bye.